So hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to convert crypto on Binance. To do this, it's pretty simple. So to convert crypto on Binance, all you have to do is go to your wallet. So here in your wallet, you'll have to go to spot or funding wherever you want to go, or where your exchange is, or where your fiat or crypto is. So let's just say we have BNB right here, and you will have the convert button right here conveniently. So all you have to do is press convert and then select if you want to do market or limit. So let's just say we want to do limit for now, or we want to do market. So in market right here, select the coin that you want to select. So let's just say we want to do Omni right now, and then you can do the max right here. There's a max button, so it's max of your BNB coins, or you can just manually select the amount. So there you go. So once you can done that, so let's do 0.1 for now. You can do preview conversion, and then you'll have to deposit to your account if it's just insufficient, or once it's done, it's gonna go on, and then there you go, it's converted. So if this video was helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.